Wow, guys, it's great to see you again. I'm so happy you came back. We've got a great show today. We have Dora's Shopping Adventure Cash Register from Nickelodeon. Wow, this one's awesome. It has over 150 phrases in English and Spanish. Let's see.
Cero, uno, $1, dos, $2, tres, $3, cuatro, $4, cinco, $5, seis, $6, siete, $7, ocho, $8, nueve, $9.
Wow, that's cool, guys. Let's open it up and take a closer look at it. Okay, here you have the cash register. It's pretty cool. It got a lot of different buttons and a lot of different phrases that it says. Okay. You could shop at different stores.
We're at Fiesta Time Store. We're at the Explorer Shop. We're at the Toy Store, la tienda de juguetes. We're at Buen Amigo Pet Shop. We're at the bakery, la panadería. We're at the supermarket, el supermercado. We're at Bonita's accessory shop. We're at Estilo's clothing store.
Okay, let's see what else was in the box. Looks like it had a lot of money and credit cards and other cool stuff. Here you have like a place card. And then here you have the money and credit cards. This is a really cool cash register, guys. It has a lot of options, unlike some of the other ones I reviewed. I really like this one.
Hola, it's time for a shopping adventure.
Let's see what we got here.
Vamos a comprar.
I don't know how many. Let me open this up and see how many is in each. But we have $1. And they all say Dora, and it has like different animals on it. This is cool too. It comes in pockets, so you could put it back in the pockets. See, 20s, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 20s with Dora and Boots on the front. And then you've got 10s. Okay, then we got 10s. Do you know who these are? Go ahead and answer me in the comments below if you know who these two characters are. I want to see if you know who they are. The 10s, we also have 5 of them. So they give you plenty of money. A lot of these cash register sets, they'll just give you like 1 20, 1 5, and like 1 1. Ah, here we got Benny the Bull on the 5s. Wow. And you've got 5 of those too. This is really an awesome cash register, guys. Oh, do you know who these characters are? If you do, leave them in the comments below. Wow, these are the $1 bills. We've got 5 of them. And then we had other things. You have a savings card. Wow, and it's like real, like plastic laminated. A lot of these are paper also. And then you have a nice gift card. And you have like these for like sales. See, this one says our price. This one says 25% off. This one says new. This one also says new, and this one says sale. Wow, guys, this is cool. You get so much. And look, you got a credit card too. This is also plastic laminated. It's Dora the Explorer. Uh-oh, it's got Swiper on it. Uh-oh, is Swiper swiping again? Let's see if the cash register makes noise when you swipe.
Anna, it's time for a shopping adventure. Gracias.
Yes, it does. Did you hear it?
Shopping with me.
Let's wait till it stops talking.
Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's see some of the other options. Wow, guys, this is actually a catalog. You could actually shop for these items on the store. See, it's Dora's Shopping Adventure. Inside is a catalog with different items for each store. You have the Explorer store. Let's try that out. Okay, the Explorer is here.
We're at the Explorer shop.
Let's pick the backpack. You would push item here.
Enter a price from the catalog to keep shopping.
And then you'd put in the price that shows right there. See? $19.99. Then you'd click enter. See? See, it said backpack, $19.99. Then we could pick another item. Let's do, like umbrella. So you'd put in item here.
Enter a price from the catalog to keep shopping.
Put in 200.
Settle. $200.
See, tent. And then you would check out. Total.
Our total is $430.30. Swipe your card for a special Explorer's price.
Okay, then we swipe the card. We have her credit card here.
Our total is $420.30. Cash or credit?
Okay, let's go credit.
Perfecto! Now we're ready for a beach adventure. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
And then the scanner actually makes noise too. You could scan stuff with it.
$12.25.
And it automatically comes up with its own price. See, you have an LCD screen there too. You could shop.
$20.25. 45 cents.
And then you could push enter
Let's shop.
and hit total.
Our total is $32.95. Swipe your card for a special Explorer's price.
Wow, guys, that is awesome. I mean, you don't have to put in prices. If you use the scanner, it automatically gives you different prices. See?
Swipe your card for a special Explorer's price. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me. $3.90. Vámonos. Let's shop. $14.09. Vámonos. Let's shop. $8.32. Our total is $27.21. Swipe your card for a special Explorer's price.
Wow, guys, this is a cool cash register. I like this one.
Our total is $12.21. Cash or credit?
Okay, let's try out a couple more stores. We're gonna go to, let's try the grocery store. So here we would find the button for the grocery store. We'd push it.
We're at the supermarket. El supermercado. Let's shop for a hike.
Okay, and then you would enter item.
Enter a price from the catalog to keep shopping.
And then we'd enter a price here. It says $3.53.
Cheese.
Let's see. Cheese.
53 cents.
Then we'll hit total.
Our total is $3.53. Cash or credit?
And then you'd scan your card.
Perfecto. Now we're ready for a hike. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Okay, let's try out the bakery. Let's see. Here is the bakery.
We're at the bakery. La panaderia. Let's shop for Valentine's Day.
Okay, we'll put in item.
Price from the catalog to keep shopping.
We'll pick the cake for $20.45.
2, 0, 4, 5 birthday cake. El
Sí.
pastel de cumpleaños. $20.45.
And then we'll hit total.
Our total is $20.45. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price.
And then we'll pay cash. See, $21. We'll pay it, and then you'll get 55 cents back. Okay, let's see. Let's try the party store. Let's see what's there.
Ready for Valentine's Day. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Okay, what do we want to buy at the party store?
We're at Fiesta Time store. Let's shop for Elsa sleepover party.
Okay, let's pick, what do you guys want? How about a surprise gift? This one here. Let's try that.
3, 1, 3.
Oops, we didn't enter item.
Enter a price from the catalog to keep shopping. 3, 1, 3. Gift box. $3.13.
Oh, a gift box. Okay, let's total it.
Our total is $3.13. Cash or credit?
Okay, we will pay credit.
Perfecto. Now we're ready for Elsa sleepover party. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Okay, let's try the boutique next. Let's see. Clothing. Okay.
We're at Estilo's clothing store. Let's shop for the carnival.
Okay, which one of these do we want to pick? Boy. Oh, look at this nice dress up here. How about we pick this one? This one's $22. So you'd hit again, item.
Price from the catalog to keep shopping. 2, 0, 0. Butterfly dress. $22.
See, we bought the butterfly dress. Now let's total and pay cash. I mean credit.
Total is $22. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price. Our total is $17. Cash or
Wow, we got a $5 discount. Okay, now let's go to the accessory shop. Let's see, which one is that?
Perfecto. Now we're ready for the carnival.
The
Gracias.
shoes.
Thank you for shopping with me. We're at Bonita's accessory shop. Let's shop for exploring in the snow.
Okay, what do you guys want to buy? Let's see. How about some ballerina shoes right here for $20? Let's try that.
Enter a price of $0. Ballet shoes.
Oh, ballet.
$20.
Okay, now we'll total it.
Our total is $20. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price.
Okay, now we have to swipe the discount card, the savings card here.
Our total is $10. Cash or credit?
Wow, we got 50% off. Now we pay with credit.
Perfecto. Now we're ready for exploring in the snow. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Okay, we have 2 more stores. Let's try the pet store next. So we find the button for the pet store over here.
We're at Buen Amigo
Okay, let's see. What do we want to buy? How about a house? We'll buy a little dog house here for $60. So we enter item.
Enter a price from the catalog to keep shopping. Save, settle. Settle, settle. Dog house, $60.
Okay, we bought a dog house.
Vámonos. Let's shop. Our total is $60. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price.
Okay, now we swipe the savings card.
Our total is $45. Cash or credit?
Wow, we got a $15 discount. Now we're gonna pay with credit.
Perfecto. Now we're ready for the pet parade. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Wow, that was fun. We've got one more. We've got the toy shop. So let's find the button for toys.
We're at the toy store. La tienda de juguetes. Let's shop for Mother's Day.
Okay, what do we want to buy here? Look at all these toys. Wow. I say we get a new bike. That's $125. So we click
Enter
item.
price from the catalog to keep shopping.
And 100.
1, 2, 5. Bicycle, $125.
Okay, now we hit total.
Our total is $125. Swipe your card for a special explorer's price.
Now we're gonna use the discount card.
Our total is $120. Cash or credit?
Well, we saved $5. It's still savings. And then we're gonna use the credit card.
Perfecto. Now we're ready for Mother's Day. Gracias. Thank you for shopping with me.
Okay, well guys, that was an awesome cash register. Let's go ahead and put the money in the drawer. Okay, this one also has a nice drawer for the cash register. The money actually fits in and it has two different compartments. Some of these cash registers, the money is not even made to fit in.
Muchas gracias.
Which
Thanks for shopping with me.
is very disappointing. So here, we'll put in the 20s, the 10s, the 5s, and the 1s. And we could also put in our savings cards and the credit cards, so we don't lose them. Wow, guys, this was a cool cash register. What do you guys think? Leave me comments down below. I really like this one. Let me know if you like it too. If you enjoyed this show, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and we could have lots of fun together. And make sure you leave me comments and also click on the like button. And if you wait till this video ends, I have an end card where you could click on other awesome videos I've made. Well guys, I had a lot of fun with you and I hope to see you soon.